What really helped me out in this training class was Hillary Frost's presentation. Me as a new supervisor, you realize the different expectations I need to do as a supervisor to help out my techs.
And what I'm taking away from this training class is that we're going to be able to save more time with the Observation 360, the new apps that are coming out, and to be able to spend more time with our field supervisors, our techs, and being able to make it home in time.
So the most effective part of the toolkit training to me has been the collaboration between the departments within Heath to show our new field supervisors that this is our direction forward and they're going to be supported completely. You know, this new direction, building the building blocks to allow them to advance their teams and their careers and thus push Heath forward into a whole new stratosphere of success.
The Supervisor Toolkit is probably the most critical piece of our reorganization efforts with bringing on board new field supervisors, new area managers, and providing them the tools and the technology they need to fundamentally change the way we're going to do business within the SBU. The focus has to be on our field technicians. They generate our revenue, and we need to do everything we can to help them in that regard. Our supervisors are the critical piece of that puzzle. So anything that we can do to give them the tools that they need and the training that they need to support those efforts is critical.